Hello, welcome. Let's try to solve another Leetcode problem 817, linked list components. So we are given the head of the linked list containing unique integers. And we are also given a nums array. And this nums array is going to be a subset of the linked list. So for example, the linked list is 0, 1, 2, 3. And we have the nums, it is a subset, it's going to be 0, 1, 3. And what we're going to return is the number of connected components in nums where two values are connected if they appear consecutively in the linked list. So this means, for example, 0, 1, it is a connected component, so it is one component. And for 3, it is another, so we're going to return 2. So for the next one, so for 0 and 1, it is connected, it is one component. And for 3 and 4, it is another component, so we're going to return a 2. So how should we solve such kind of problem? And we are going to check if a number is inside of the nums. So basically this is going to be a set. So let's just prepare a set. So S is going to be equal to the set of the nums. Now we just need to check the numbers one by one. Yeah, but how can we check that? We can directly check the head. So while there's a head ported to the linked list, so we're gonna check the head.value. So if head.value not inside the set, so this means I have a result gonna plus equal to 0. Yeah, let me prepare a result. So otherwise, if it is inside, so the result gonna plus equal to 1. Of course, this is not right, but this is the first idea of how can we solve such kind of problem. Yeah, so for example, we're gonna check it for 0, it is not inside, so the result is gonna plus equal to 1. So the result is gonna be 1, and then we're gonna check another one. It is 1. 1 is also inside. Yeah, but if this is not inside, but 1 is inside the set, this means the result is gonna plus another one. It's gonna be 2. Of course, this is wrong. So this means for such kind of problem, we're gonna prepare a flag. And the flag is always a better way to solve such kind of problem, because definitely we don't need to think too much, we just need to prepare a flag. So this flag means if it is still in the same component, so I use this flag to check only if it is another component. So I'm gonna use the flag to count it. Yeah, so elif, I'm gonna use a flag. Let me use a flag. So this means the flag gonna be 2, so I'm gonna set the flag to false. Yeah, so this means if the flag is false for the next time, even it is in the connected component, but I will not count it anymore because I've already counted, so the result gonna only be 1. Yeah, so this means from here, if it is not inside, I'm gonna set the flag to true. Yeah, so this means for the first number, let me use the second example, maybe better. So for the first number 0, it is inside. Yeah, so if it is inside, I need to check this flag. So from the beginning, I need to set the flag to be a true value. So this means it is the first component. I find it is my first component. So I'm gonna use the result plus equal to 1. So while I go to the next value, it is 1. It is still inside the set, but I've already set the flag to false. This means for the next time, even I was inside the set, but I will not count it because it is the next connected component. Yeah, because the flag is false. And similarly, if I go to the next one, 2 is not inside the set. If it is not inside, so I'm gonna set the flag to true. Yeah, this means for the next time, if it is 3 inside, because my flag is true, so I'm gonna count it as 1. And then I'm gonna set the flag to false. If I set to false, even if I go to the not 4, it is inside the set, but I will not count it because the flag is 4. Yeah, so the flag is a really popular way to solve such kind of check-ins. If we have some conditions, this is a connected component, for the next one it is not, and then it is still inside. Yeah. Now let me just submit it to check. Yeah, I think it didn't work because I forgot to update the head. So the head is going to be equal to head.next. Yeah, so let's just check the number of nodes. So the number of nodes is going to be 10 to the power of 4. now let me just run it and check, because currently I updated the head gonna be equal to head.next. Yeah. As you can see, it works and it's pretty fast, and the time complexity gonna be on, and the space complexity gonna also be on because we used a set. So this is the set what we used. Yeah, I think this still gonna be a good problem. It's not so difficult, but definitely we can use a flag or something else so you can solve it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.